Today is Friday, October 24th. This is the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado ultra thin horn pad, the original vintage horn pad from my friend Dana in Iowa. So the unit has been completely restored as shown in the predecessor videos in terms of the galvalume coating of the steel backplate that provides the electrical continuity for the transmission of the signal for the horns, which I'll be testing here under power in just the next minute or so. The Cadillac crest emblem has been redetailed, absolutely beautiful. The vinyl revitalized in the original number 10 sable black. Okay, and we're going to do a functional validation test. I have a light bulb here that will indicate the electrical continuity for the horn. We're connected, and I'll go ahead and I'll press each of the pressure points of the horn pad in the trigon formation. The upper left, upper right, the lower center, and of course the emblem also blows. A lot of people don't realize that. So we have 4 different pressure locations for actuation of the horn. We'll be looking for the light bulb to come on. So I'll press in the upper left, and the light bulb comes on. Upper right, and the light bulb comes on. The bottom, and the light bulb comes on. And lastly, the Cadillac emblem location, and the light bulb comes on. Okay, so that's the functional validation test for the revitalized 1970 ultra thin horn pad for my friend Dana in Iowa. This will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 specific parts for the Eldorados from 1967 through 1978, over 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, October 24th. Thank you very kindly.